Hey! So, we are going to talk about the rising demand for PMP, a smart investment in PM career. The future of project management and PMPs. Industry demand for PMPs. PMPs and career opportunities. Let's go in it deeply. The value of PMP certification. PMP certification holds global recognition and credibility. It signifies a standardized and proven approach to project management, validated by the Project Management Institute, PMI. PMPs gain a competitive edge in the job market and enhance their professional credibility, making them desirable candidates for project management roles. Additionally, PMP certification offers several benefits for individuals and organizations. Industry demand for PMPs. The demand for PMPs is rapidly increasing across industries. According to the Project Management Institute, PMI, the demand for PMPs is expected to grow by 33% by 2030. Organizations value PMPs for their ability to drive project success, effectively manage risks, and ensure efficient project execution. Industries such as construction, information technology, healthcare, and finance are particularly seeking PMP certified professionals. PMPs and career opportunities. PMP certification opens doors to a diverse range of career opportunities. Professionals with PMP certification can pursue roles such as project managers, program managers, project consultants, project coordinators, and project analysts. PMPs are well positioned to lead and oversee projects, manage stakeholders, mitigate risks, and ensure successful project outcomes. PMP certification also significantly enhances job applications and promotions. The future of project management and PMPs. In the digital era, project management is evolving with the emergence of new technologies and methodologies. PMPs must adapt to these changes and leverage emerging technologies like AI and automation. While AI and automation can automate certain project management tasks, PMPs play a critical role in strategic decision-making, stakeholder management, and human-centric aspects of project management. PMPs are adaptable professionals who navigate changing project management landscapes, ensuring project success in dynamic environments. As project management continues to evolve, the adaptability of PMPs becomes increasingly valuable. If you want it in more detail, then go to blog on our PM Training School. If you are interested in these project management and disciplined agile-like courses, then PM Training School will be best choice for you. Link is in description.